Alright, good morning. Today is road trip day. We're headed back down to Lake Wylie on the south side of Charlotte. And we're taking the gas tank back down to reinstall in the 33 Buick sedan. And we're also going to pick up a 1974 Avanti that we need to bring back here and bring back to life. So we're going to do a Will It Run video on that. So we're getting ready to go now. Ashton's all buckled in. Are you ready to ride, buddy?
Yeah.
We're going to go on a road trip today?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
We're going to pick up the car on the trailer and get out.
That's right. So let's get on the road so we can get all that done. Well, I didn't pull the camera out when we were going through the fiasco of loading the car, but we got the Avanti all loaded up on the trailer. I think my battery was no good for my winch, so took a little bit of rigging up, but we got it set. Whew. It's getting warm and we're both hungry, so Ashton and I are off to get lunch, and then we'll be back to install the tank in the Buick. And then we're going to hook back up to the trailer and take this back up to the shop. Alright, we're going to get this car unloaded. Hold on, don't pull the ramp out too far, it'll fall down.
But I can hold on to it, and let's
Well,
put it right here and head on the road, and let's take a ride in this.
We're going to take the car off and go take a ride in it?
Yep.
Already?
Yep.
I mean, we didn't do anything to it yet. We're just going to take it off and go hit the road with it.
Yep.
Wow.
And we have this check in it, so we have to open the door and we get on the road and let's check it's okay and to get in it and just head on the road.
Head out on the road?
Yep.
Well, that's a pretty good plan, but I think we should check everything out on the car first before we go on a road trip.
Yep. On this car.
On that car?
Yep.
Alright, pull the ramp out a little bit further. A little more, Alright, hold it. Hold it right there. Otherwise it's going to drop on the ground. Here, come here, hold the camera.
Okay.
Can you see? You look in there, and then you make sure you hold it still and keep it on me.
Whoa!
Oh, don't be moving it all over the place. You got to keep it on me.
Hey,
Alright, hold it up.
okay.
Hold it up. There you go. Alright, we're going to take the ramp out. We'll get it set up, and then we'll get the car off the trailer. And in the next day or two, we're going to give it a good look over and see what all it's going to need in order to get this car running again.
And let's hit the road.
And going to hit the road. Just like Ashton said, we're going to get it running and hit the road.
Yep.
what's our next move here? We gotta get it off the trailer.
We have to get off the trailer, and I can put it in my car. Right, Papa paints this car, and
Then we'll get on the road.
then we get on the road and take a drive in it, and then we hit the road, and Papa's got a battery super heavy, and the beautiful flowers growing, and the woman that's the pop-up garage, and we get the headlight right here, and there's the earring there, and the judge is not real, and there's a fly back there, and
Alright,
slides are
you ready?
Yep, and Papa's moving car. Say bye. Bye. Okay, I'm done talking.
All right, we're gonna look at the inside. This car.
No, I want to talk about it.
Let me talk first, and then you can tell me what you think. But this car screams 1970s. If you can see this
Yep.
shag carpeting from the factory,
Yep.
you thought shag carpeting was just for your den or your living room back in the 70s. Well, if you bought an Avanti,
Look,
you got shag carpeting in your car.
Pop, I found your boat.
Yeah. And this looks to be real leather interior, so these were not cheap cars by any means. They were very well trimmed out with some nice materials, and everything looks like it's held up well. So the inside of this car looks pretty good.
And now I want to talk. This is a 7-seater steering wheel, and we're gonna take a ride in it. And it's a pedal right. See, this is the mirror, and it's a go ahead, and it's go like that, like that, and this is the light, and yeah,
That opens up the hood.
This opens up the hood, and we can't open up the hood not now, and I'm gonna fix on it, and
So,
huh?
we've got the 74 Avanti home.
Let me talk about it.
Alright, tell me about the car.
We have a fixed it, and we have a hit on the road, and we put that up, and we put us off the trailer, and there's a bug right there. Get on the trailer, and that's just yucky and flying.
Yeah. What can you tell me about this car?
This has the headlights, and this headlights, and it has these fast wheels, and this powerful engine, and it goes super fast, and have a take wide in it. When it down, pop up, it's done, wait on, working on it, and put it on the lift, and I'll get on the trailer and put that on.
Do you know what kind of car it is?
It's a vroom vroom car, so it's a vroom vroom, so.
Look, see, it says it right here.
Huh?
It says it right here.
This.
You know what that says?
Yeah.
What does it say?
This says vroom vroom car. I would go super duper fast.
It says.
And we go.
Okay, so this is spelled Avanti. Avanti.
Avanti racing
So
car.
this is an Avanti.
Yeah.
And it's a 1974. And it's been sitting idle for some time, at least 5 to 6 years.
Let me talk about it now.
And okay, my turn to talk. Come here. Okay, so we had a long day. It was a hot day, and we got the car home, and look for a Will It Run video to come soon on this car. We have another one going to come out that already will be out on 33 Buick from the same owner, and that one was a pretty easy Will It Run, but this one I'm not sure about, so we'll have to see what we run into on this one. 74 model Avantis do use a GM drivetrain, so pretty common stuff that we should be able to find, and we'll see what we can do about getting this car up and running again. We'll see you soon.
Okay. My turn to talk.
Say, see you soon.
See you soon. And see you soon, guys.